Alan Harper speaking.
Wait. We got a problem here.
Oh, really? It's the mooch at the boo. So, what's the problem? Not the wine cellar again, is it?
What the hell are you talking about, you gibbering moron?
Oh, good.
Listen, Don's about to get me killed.
Oh, so he's okay?
He's great. Probably having the time of his life. I'm the one in trouble.
I trust you to take care of it. Thanks for the update. Take a bottle of Pinot for yourself.
Ellen! Okay, I have to do this, but I am calling your father. Let him deal with you.
I'm gonna go straighten up in the kitchen.
You don't know who you're messing with.
Are you kidding? I think she's gorgeous. Ow! Ow! You don't know who you're messing with.
I'm sorry, hang on. Charlie, now's the time. All right, put him on.
I can't talk now, Dad. I'm about to get like an older woman.
What? Where are you? Jake? Jake?
So check out your theory.
And you love him.
Dr. Alan Harper, may I help you?